Now here I am out on the Engwe E26 and there's a path, like an almost hidden path, that I've gone past many times because it's always been overgrown, but somebody's actually cut the bushes and everything down so you can get down there. So let's go and have a look. Hey, alright everybody, how's it going? Now, I'm out on a mountain ride and I can see in front of me there, it says footpath to the right. So just for a laugh, I'll see if I can take a bike down this footpath. I doubt it very much, but we'll see now. Now it says by here, it is an offence for all motor vehicles. I don't know what that means by there. Let's try going down here. So here we go. Oh, blimey. It's probably, you'd get a puncture going down here, wouldn't you? I would have thought, with all this sort of... It looks like somebody's been down here and actually cut, because you'd think this be overgrown, wouldn't you? But it's not. So I'll just take a stroll down here a second, just to see what it's like. There's something... I got a thorn stuck in my... If there's a thorn stuck in my leg, you can easily get one in the tyre as well, can't you? So I don't know how far this path goes down. Somebody must have come here and cut this path. But we'll have a look. We'll see what it's like. Now, it looks like a horse has been down here because there's a big dollop of dung in the middle of the path. But like I said, you do need really good tyres if you want to go down these kind of paths. There's a lot of thorns and stuff on the road. It's not a road, it's a path. So but, you know, I saw a path and I just wanted to try it out. If it gets a little less thorny down by here, I'll get back on the bike. Right, it's a bit more gravelly now and a little less spiky and thorny, so I'll do a bit of bike riding. It's all stingies and stuff now. Oh, my leg! Oh! It got me. Oh, look, there's a nice field by the side of me there. There's a nice field there, look. I'm not quite sure where this path comes out, to be honest, so I'll carry on down here. A little bit of an adventure. You know, if I got my phone out, I could probably see where this path is taking me. But I've driven past this path loads and loads of times, but I've never actually gone down it, so, you know, it's about time I went down it. Anyway, back on the bike. Definitely feels like puncture territory. There we go. It's quite a nice path, quite a nice walk, but I remember it being way more overgrown, so it does feel like, who would come down here and clear this path though? The council wouldn't, surely not. Oh, Bit of a funny bit here. And then, oh, I can see loads of mountains over there. You can't see them from where you are, but I can see them from where I am. I hope it doesn't get really ferny now. Where are we going to come out? That is the question. Oh, let me turn this front camera around so you can see exactly where I'm going without any interruptions. So let's just turn this around. Oh, and I'll show you over there, look. I can see loads of mountains over there. Beautiful. Anyway, let's turn the camera around this way. Like that. And there we go, you can see the front where I'm going now without any interruptions. Try and watch this stingy. Oh. Camera's falling down. Don't fall down, camera. Right, let's keep going. Like I said, I've never been this way before. So you're coming on the adventure with me. I've never ever gone on this path in my life. But it obviously looks like people are using this path, doesn't it? So it's definitely been cut back. Who's cut all this path back? Bit skinny by here. Oh, oh, hey, whoa, ooh, ah, oh. Whoa, whoa, oh, stingy in my face. Whoa. This path is going on longer than I thought it was going to go on for. Anyway, let's keep going past these red berries, which are probably poisonous. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Fern in the way, get out, fern. Oh. Keep going. What's by the side of me by here? I can see something. Somebody's back gate. There's a house. We're going past somebody's garden. Somebody's driveway. Past somebody's drive. And then here we go. Back out onto the main road. Into a place called Rydri. Right, there we go. That was quite interesting. Anyway, I just thought I'd film it and you could follow along with my sort of, you know, bit of a journey. Anyway, if you did like this short video, don't forget, give it a like, subscribe, comment, hype, do all them beautiful things, and I'll catch you in the next one.